If you're using the webbing, drive a stainless steel nail through the top hole to hold the insulator in place. Don't anchor it solid. This nail is temporary. Measure out and cut lengths of webbing to overlap around the posts. Slip the webbing through the insulator and strap the insulator to the post. Secure the strap with 2 stainless steel nails and washers. Remove the nail which was holding the insulator in place. Strapping allows the insulator to freely adjust to the directional changes of the braid. Installing the braid is simple. Using the end straight from the reel, thread the braid through the insulator and clamp it tight. Leave approximately 2 inches outside the split bolt connector. Make sure the connector is tight to avoid slippage. Now, start fencing.